Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the shapes, two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Why shapes? Because whatever the object we are going to draw has some shape. So if we understand the two-dimensional and the three-dimensional, we can draw anything easily. First, we are going to observe the shape of the object. That's why we are learning about these 2D and 3D shapes. Okay, here I am drawing a square, two-dimensional, and cube, three-dimensional. So, two-dimensional is like it's just a drawing on a paper, but three-dimensional, it looks real, like a box, like a sphere, or like a ball. Okay, so the triangle like a cone or prism shape. Okay, so these shapes are so important. So before drawing, we are going to first check what is the shape of the object we are drawing. Then we are going to first draw a square if it is a square shape, a circle if it is a circle shape. So we need to be perfect with these shapes, and I mostly prefer freehand, but I know for the beginners it's hard to do with freehand, so it's better to use a ruler. For kids also it is going to be very easy with a ruler. Okay, you can see now the shapes like from square to cube, rectangle to cuboid, triangle to cone, and a circle to sphere. Okay, we can feel the realistic nature of these 3D shapes, right? And then the final shape is the oval shape. Okay, oval shape is like for human hands, okay, legs, the tree trunk, and many more things. Okay, I have a trick here to draw anything. Like before drawing a circle, before drawing a cylinder, you can use the dotted lines. When it looks perfect, you can trace it into a thick line. That is the trick I mostly follow. Okay, see, now this is the cylinder shape. Okay, it also looks realistic. Okay, yeah, tomorrow we are going to learn about the pencils we are going to use for sketching and drawing. Different types of pencils I'm going to show and talk about them. Okay, yeah, and then I'm going to teach every day one by one, which will be very easy for you to learn and to draw, and I can like say you're going to become an artist in just 2 months maybe.